Today topic is represent under root 3.8 on the number line. Any number which is in the form of decimal number and it is under root quantity, how you will represent it? So this is the step for that. Here it is under root 3.8. So firstly, whatever the number given, you will draw it. Here 3.8. So firstly, we will draw a line segment of AB 3.8 centimeter by the ruler. Then always we will extend it in 1 centimeter always. If it is in the form of a decimal quantity under root, then always it will be extended into the 1 centimeter. So we will in the next step we will find out the midpoint of the line segment AB. So how you will write down the statement or construction step? Firstly, draw 3.8 on centimeter on number line. Second step, extend AB to 1 centimeter. So always we have to extend in such type of question to 1 centimeter. Now it is AC. Now we have to find out the midpoint of this line segment AC. What is the length of the line segment AC and if you will find out the midpoint, it will be 2.4. So find the midpoint of AC. Find the midpoint of AC. And how you will find out? It will be by the perpendicular bisector, as you have studied in the earlier classes. You will place a arc more than in the upper and in the lower part. So suppose that this is the midpoint and ABC, and suppose that this is the midpoint D. This is the midpoint D. In the next step, we will draw a semicircle. Draw a semicircle. Draw a semicircle of arc, which arc? AD, because it is a midpoint, so arc AD. We will draw a semicircle. Then suppose that we have draw a semicircle, then we will put compass here and draw a semicircle. We will draw a semicircle. Now we will draw perpendicular at B. Draw perpendicular at B which intersect the circle, which intersect circle at any point A, B, C, and suppose that it is E. So we have to draw the perpendicular here. So by the protractor you can draw, we will draw a semicircle and it is the point E. The next step, it will be using compass, this arc BE will be the under root 3.8. Its length is under root 3.8. Measure BE equal to under root 3.8. So draw BE on any number line. You can draw any number line. This is, and with what is the arc of BE, this will be the arc of BE. We can measure it in such a way. So this is the step. Again, see that how you will solve it. Represent a root 3.8 on the number line. So firstly, in the first step, we will draw AB 3.8 centimeter on the number line. Whatever given, you have to draw that, skipping the under root quantity. Now extend it into the 1 centimeter. Always we have to extend it up to the 1 centimeter. Then we will find out the midpoint of this line segment AC, and AC is now 4.8 and midpoint is 2.4. So by the perpendicular bisector we will find out the midpoint of D. Then taking D as arc, D as a center and arc AD, we will draw a semicircle in such a way. Then draw the perpendicular on point B. Then measure BE. This BE is under root 3.8. Now measure it and draw it on any number line. This is the 3.8.